Let's go! We have returned to Boss Pro Karting. Happy to be back. When I get some breathing room, I will explain some things. Including where I have been for like 2 months now. Come on. Okay, we're back for another challenge night. I got a nice little 6 people here. Not a huge one, but a nice little crowd. Everyone seems nice and respectful so far. We'll see how the night plays out, though. I'm a little rusty. Haven't really raced here in about 2 months. I missed basically the entire month of August challenge nights because the first week I was sick and I missed it. Then the next week I was on vacation. So I missed that one. Then I came back for the first week of September, but I was injured from racing at a combination of track house and an outdoor event that Lee set up for us. My oblique was killing me. So I tried to come back last challenge night. I did one practice race, and that was enough. My side was on fire. I literally could not do it. If I did it, it was gonna be bad news. I mean, like I'm familiar with like injuries and stuff because I'm a runner. I get a lot of foot, leg injuries, etc. because I sit at an office all day, and my muscles get tight. You know, even though I do yoga and stuff, it is hard to. I should have went. Yep, this is a mistake. I should have went. I'm too busy talking. I'm too busy talking. Oh well. So like I'm familiar with like what real injuries feel like, and that was a real injury. That was if I do not take care of myself, we might have a serious problem on our hands type thing. So I'm like, I just can't do it. So we took that week off. We've basically been taking a leave for about 2 whole weeks now. Ooh, that was close, Dave. I know what you were doing there, Graham. Graham was trying to sabotage me, too. Graham was trying to sabotage. That cheeky little bugger. I don't know what that means. I've heard it on British TV. Ooh, we got a race on our hands with Dave back here. He is close. Let's see how this traffic makes a difference. It might. It certainly has in the past. Oh no. Ooh, my mistake didn't cost me. Let's go. Let's go. We're starting off with a win. Let's go. Look at this. First time ever these guys are doing it. They're doing great. I had confidence. I had confidence they were going to be good. All right, we're back for qualifying race 2. Starting in the back because we reversed the starting order. And yeah, let's see how this goes. Yeah, let's go. Oh boy. Oh boy. Whoo, boy, that was a start. I know, Dave. I know. Who's it? Dave. What are we doing, Dave? I should have took one. What am I doing? Well, I don't really want to follow. I'll take one next time, I think. Next time should be good. Following Graham immediately is not a winning strategy. Well, I guess we just ended up here anyways. Ooh, these tires are... These tires do be slippery. Oh man, I got no grip. I got no grip on these suckers. Yes, battle back there, boys. Do some battling. Yeah, these suckers are sliding everywhere. Good thing this is like regular and I can be obstinate if I need to be. Really gotta like be careful with my steering inputs because of how slippery these tires are at the moment. Like coming out of that turn and this turn where we're giving it full gas coming out of the turn, really easy to lose traction if I don't have good steering inputs. But now this is a good time to talk about the outdoor experience that we had with Boss Pro Karting. Lee got us, some time at an outdoor track, Thompson. They had some L206 karts for us to race, which was really cool. And Lee also had this 125cc two-stroke kart, which one of our fellow racers, he dubbed it Satan after driving it because of how ridiculous it was. Now, the thing's 0 to 60, legitimately felt like it was 2 seconds. I'm not, it was probably 2 something, I don't even know, but, it was insanity. And, outdoor karts, they have no seat belts. You just, sit in the seat, which is crazy. You're, an inch from the ground, and the sense of speed was unreal. It was unbelievable, the sense of speed. I don't know how I will ever experience sense of speed like that ever again. So great experience. It's probably where I injured my oblique muscles badly, but it was worth it. It was worth it. Love to drive that thing again, even though it was probably the most terrifying thing I have ever driven in my life. And now the race is over. Let's go. Let's go. I got a little aggressive. That's my bad. My bad. It was my fault. That was on me. I'll do better next time. Oh, this thing doesn't want to turn. Sorry, Dave. Oh! Oh, jeez, Dave. We got aggressive Dave today. Oh, it doesn't want to turn right. Ugh. I think the brake pedal's sticking too. Ah! I'm keeping this inside. You're not getting it. Ah! Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Oh, goodness. We are back for the feature race. We had a 1v1 battle, me and Dave. I don't even know if I got it on camera because my GoPro may have shut itself off when I hit a wall. Yeah, but you know, we're not going to talk about that if I didn't get it on camera. Anyway, so Dave beat me. So now we are here for the feature. And in this feature, we have 2 Joker lap spots. We have that one that we did before. So we got 2 of those. And then we have this sketchy little guy right there that just passed by on the screen. We can take that once. So what is the strategy gonna be? Just gonna try to take one now. Oh, we are lacking grip. That is not good. Okay, Dave's not taking it. It's gonna be a close one. That's for sure. It's gonna be close. If at any point that he takes that, I'm pretty sure he's just going to be ahead of me. So I'm probably going to have... He's going to need to run into traffic or something for me to beat him. Pretty confident. Someone's behind me. I don't know who that is. Yeah, if Dave ever takes one, he's just going to be ahead of me. He is Seems like he's faster than me at the moment. Yep, there goes a Dave Joker lap. Now what we have to do is we gotta hope and pray that somehow he has taken both of them already. Or he's taken that small guy already. We are gonna try to save ours for as long as possible. Oh god, okay, he had both of them still. That's not good. Okay, alright, well we're probably gonna not beat Dave. But he took them both. He could run into traffic. That's a real possibility. That's still a real possibility. We got a lot of laps left. Although I am not sure, my kart is very fast. Glancing up at the board, my times don't seem like that good. Thank you, bud. Thank you for being respectful. I appreciate it. Probably gonna have to take one of these right now. To get around Graham. And then Dave, I'm gonna need you to run into traffic, buddy. Because I think you are too far ahead. Well, let's see what happens. Okay, maybe he's not too far ahead. Let's go! Maybe he's still got that one left. He does not. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!